Oh,
He's gonna eat my ear!
Nice. I was like, no.
It's great. He'll never fly like that. He'll throw off the weight.
Start it on the table.
Just think happy thoughts.
Is that my phone?
It's like just my face. Oh wow!
It'll never take off.
Now you can dart people in the side of the head.
Whip it around, whip it around.
Get away from there. Get away from that wall. Get away from that wall.
Why is it still on me? Oh! Shit! I can't go forward!
You have to go forward the whole time.
Did you download that app?
Shit!
That rocket launcher? Actually, hold on.
I can't go forward. This is full bar forward.
Action
right now.
movie effects.
Because of the fucking thing.
Yeah, because this on the back. Here, let me help you out here.
Oh!
Does that work?
Oh yeah! Now take it back off. Take it back off.
Take it off.
Do it, do it. Yeah!